Hello, welcome to my channel. How you doing? Hope you are doing great. This is simple sauce for white yam. You know, you can get white yam from any Africa store. And I know some people like cooking their yam with sugar, but I prefer adding salt. So I add salt to this yam. You cook it for 25 minutes. It's ready. Make sure you check it. Once your fork pass through it, you know that it's ready. For this now, it's ready. So what you have to do is just change the water, remove the water. You see, I already removed the water. So keep aside and straight to our sauce. First of all, I'm using fish on this sauce. So I season my fish. I'm frying it. You can use any seasoning of your choice. I use seasoning cube, salt, curry, powdered garlic, and ginger. So fry your chicken and keep aside. You can use chicken, you can use gizzard, any one of your choice. So I decided to use this croaker fish on the sauce. So the fish is ready. So I'm going to keep this aside and prepare my sauce. For this sauce, what I used was very simple, economy and cheap. You only need onions and red bell pepper. You don't need much on this sauce. First of all, you deseed your red bell pepper, remove the seed and slice any shape you want. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell in case I upload a new video. You will be the first to know. And please guys, share my video out. And for my subscriber, I say thank you for your support, thank you for your comment, thank you for supporting me. So I use 2 of these onions, depending on you on how you like onions. Sometimes I just like to eat a lot of onions, so I use 2 onions on this sauce. It was washed before, but you have to wash again just because you remove the seed. Make sure the seed is removed totally. So you have to rinse with clean water. Time to slice to any shape you want. Or you can make use of this mesh shape. So on this sauce, I used 3 red bell pepper and 2 onions. You can see the color yellow, green, and red. And keep aside. I also make use of prawn. I was having this prawn I cook and keep, so I just decided to add the prawn to this sauce and liver, just small liver. So time to fry. Add your oil to your frying pan. You can use butter, optional. Section your onions, fry your onions. Don't allow it to be too cooked. Fry it for some minutes. Please continue to stir. This bay leaf, if you don't have, it's fine. Just wanted that aroma inside. It's optional. Carrot. Little carrot. If you don't have to, it's fine. It's optional. Like I said, the main ingredient was this fresh pepper. But if you don't have fresh pepper, you can make use of black pepper or white pepper to pour in your bell pepper and stir very well. Continue to stir, don't overcook the bell pepper. The aroma was all over the place. It was so yummy. So this is the liver I was talking about. Just a small liver, but if you don't have it, you can make use of gizzard. And this is the front. Everything. Please don't forget to share my video out and subscribe here if you have not done so. Leave your comment below and let me know if you're going to try this meal. Please try it and you're going to love it. A seasoning cube. Continue to stir. So it's time to add some spice. Please, ginger powder. If you have fresh one, you can use so. Does not have a fresh one. Thyme. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Curry powder. Salt to taste. And stir. So our sauce is almost ready. It's ready just to add the fish and stir. Test the sauce if it's okay. If it's not, if the sauce is not okay, you can add a little sauce. So add the fish and stir so that the sauce, some of the sauce can go into the fish properly. You can see how tantalizing our sauce is looking. cheap, fast, tasty. So yeah, the sauce is ready. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave your comment and let me know if you are going to try this dish. I hope you try it and share out my video, please. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you all.